On camera.
Now I'm gonna eat you, fool. I eat boys up, breakfast and lunch.
Hi, world. I was going to say, oh look, that's gonna be funny when she eats. Congratulations, baby. Yeah, actually, no, I wasn't. Okay, this is gonna be fun. If I eat something that I really hate, I don't want to have that taste in my mouth through the rest of the thing. I'll put some water. Stick your tongue out. Barbecue sauce. Okay. Congratulations. No, that's strange aftertaste. I was like, I hope it's not mustard. Oh, goodness. Stick your tongue out. You got it on your teeth. Mayonnaise. Yes. Open up. Cereal. What kind? The Crunch Berry stuff. Okay. Crunch. Yeah. Captain Crunch Berry. Open up. I don't know what that is. It's slightly familiar, but... Did I not give you enough? Well, if you're saying it should have been hot, then no. What were they? Garlic. Minced garlic. Oh. I thought it tasted slightly familiar. Oh, I can taste it now. So it's my breath. No, another. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's peanut butter. What did you think it was? I have no idea. You're just like, oh, what is this? The texture was funny and I'm like, open it up. Just yet. Is it still brown sugar, Addie? Well, it kind of tastes like brown sugar. That's some defective brown sugar. Ah! Shredded wheat. Yes. Stick your tongue out. This is... That seriously tastes like brown sugar. That does. No. What is it? Oh, molasses. Yeah. Okay, well, you're done.